Hi, I'm Pattu from freefincal. There are many popular myths and beliefs surrounding investments, in particular mutual funds investments, and one of them is that the best day to do an SIP or the best day to invest in a mutual fund each month is the last Thursday of the month. That's when the Nifty futures and options contract expires. I don't know from where this originated, but you will find several people discuss it. You will find several experts recommend it as the best day for SIP, and then they will say, since you can't choose the last Thursday for automated investing, they'll say choose the like 25th or something like that, towards the end of the month, and they would say that because the futures and options contract expires that day, the market will be volatile, the market will tend to close lower, then you will be able to buy on dips and so on. This is totally I don't know, I find this baffling, how people can offer such suggestions and assume such things without even a small amount of data. Even if you want to cherry pick some information and present it as analysis, I would accept, but even that is not there, and they would say this is the best date. It's completely amusing. So I have taken Nifty 50 total returns data, and this is available from July 1999, and I have plotted the absolute change, 1 day absolute change on expiry Thursday. So the futures and option contract will expire on the last Thursday of each month, and if the last Thursday is not a business day, then it will expire on the previous business day. So I have selected such dates from the Nifty 50 TRI history, total returns history. That was fun selecting such Thursdays. That's the main reason why I did it, because I want to learn how to select a particular day out of time series. So what you see is the change in the market on the as on market close on expiry Thursday. Expiry Thursday means when that future and options contracts of Nifty 50 expire. So the change in the Nifty 50, that is with respect to the previous day, the change with respect to that day, that 1 day change is plotted for expiry Thursdays from July 1999. You can see the dots are everywhere. Some of the returns are positive, some of the absolute returns are negative, and if you look closely, there are many returns above zero. So the market has actually closed positively more often than negative on expiry Thursday. That is the last Thursday of the month. So where is this logic about buying on dips and that being the best day for buying mutual funds? It's absolute rubbish. I don't know. If you look at the 5-year rolling returns data, you have blue dots which are behind the red dots, and the red dots are basically the normal SIP which you buy on the first business day of the month, first, second, third, whatever, first business day of the month. And then the blue dots are the expiry SIP, that is, you buy on the expiry Thursday. Of course, this is only an imaginary SIP. There is no actual automated way to buy on expiry Thursday, but I've assumed it's possible to manually do it, and that's what I call as an expiry SIP. And you can see that there is absolutely no difference between the blue dots and the red dots. I mean it's just baffling. This is over 10 years, this is over 15 years. I don't know how these ideas circulate, and they will, and I don't know, I don't want to say anything that forget it. It's just too annoying. So let's say you started a SIP for 1,000 rupees in June 1999, and you would have got a return of 14.69%, and the value would be 16.26 lakhs as on February, February 25th, let's say 2021, for a normal SIP, that is the month start SIP. Whereas if you did the expiry Thursday kind of SIP, it would have given you 14.74% and 16.19 lakhs. Of course, the corpus is a little bit lower. The XIRR is slightly higher. That is because the dates are different for the two SIPs, and XIRR anyway is a kind of approximation using the Newton-Raphson method. So that such variations will always be there. So it's like 0.05%, not 4% kind of difference. And for this kind of difference, people are saying this is the best day for doing SIPs and so on. I have earlier done a video and an article on every possible day. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, every possible day I've done SIPs. For SIP dates, I've looked at the return difference, and there's absolutely no difference for any day. Just buy when you have money and stop fooling around. Bye bye.